Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video, I will teach you how to bulk create designs in Canva. So in order to bulk create, let's say we go here, we press this design, customize this template. So for example, for this one, we'll put day 1 on my vlog. There we go. So let's say forest. So in order to bulk create, we go to apps. Then here we look for bulk create. So we should enter the data manually. So clear table. So for this one, see day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. Let's say day 1 was source. See, then just press done. So if you press this table here, so now we can just auto match the fields. Press this one, then press continue. Then create 4 designs. So it will create those 4 designs at the same time. So just press create. So just press view design. So we can see that the designs are created here without you having to edit the other pages manually. So that's all for today's video, and I hope that you have learned something from it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell button for more Canva tips and tricks to come. Thank you for watching.